This is how you set valve lash on a 5967 Cummins diesel. This is a 2020 Ram, so it's not a usual sight to have adjustable lifters in there, as I stopped that in 2018, but we did a solid lifter conversion in here from Hamilton cams, so they're adjustable now. Just thought I'd make a quick video. What I always do on these is 10 thousandths on the intake valves, which are the short ones, and 20 thousandths on the exhaust, which are the long ones. If you set it at number 1 top dead center with both valves closed, you can do half the valves and then you turn it over 180 degrees and you can do the other half. But if you don't have the Cummins barring tool or any way to turn over the crank, then what I do is, if you come in the fuse panel here, this is on all 4th and 5th gen Rams, and this relay right here, I believe that's relay K7, and that there is your starter solenoid relay. And so I just pull the cover off. It's very simple to do. There's just four clips on the side of it, and it comes apart. Anyways, that's what I turn the engine over a little bit at a time, because this is push button start, so it's not easy to turn over a little bit at a time. And then you got your 5mm Allen to turn the adjustment screw and the 14mm wrench to loosen off the jam nut. So once you get the opposing valve down, so now this intake's down on cylinder number 3, that means that this exhaust valve is going to be open. So you adjust it till there's just slight drag, very slight drag, and not loose. Rocker arm's not loose on there. And that's how you adjust the valves on that. So tighten the jam nut down. I think the spec is about 240 inch-pounds on the jam nut. And these rocker 10mm bolts are 27 foot-pounds, just like 320 some inch-pounds. So you just turn it over a little bit at a time until the opposing valve is down. If you come over here, it's very simple. You don't have to have the key on or anything, and you just click this and it turns it over. And you turn it over until the opposing valve is down. So right now you can see there's pressure on number 2 exhaust valve is tight. So that means that you can adjust cylinder 2 intake. And it's as simple as that. It's just a little hard to get to cylinder 6. But once you get in there, it's not bad. And it makes your engine run a lot better and quieter if they're adjusted properly. I always go about in the middle of the spec. There's a big range, they say, for the intake and the exhaust, but I find that 10 thousandths for the intake, 20 thousandths for the exhaust makes them run about where they should.